Let's go, Molly. Step on it. You're running too fast. Are you even sure it's here? You've been wrong before. Wow, Molly, I guess you were right. Well, let's go. Come on. We gotta contact the owners. We gotta catch him. Okay, come on, let's go. Come on. Hello. Excuse me, but can we enter, please? We saw a ghost. We're ghostbusters. I'm sorry. Thank you. Molly, let the guy alone. He didn't do anything. Wait a minute. You're Slimer.
Who did this to my backyard?
Oh my god, he's been possessed by Slimer! I need to shock him.
Why do I feel like I've been possessed by a ghost?
Well, that's because you were by a class 5 roaming vapor, so.
Who are you? What are you doing in my house?
I came here to catch a ghost because it possessed you. Anyway, I have to go back to the Ecto, so bye.
Ecto? What's an ecto?
That's a car that my grandpa left me. Molly, come on, let's go.
Molly? What's Molly?
Let's go, Molly, step on it. Activate gun is here now, Molly. Come on. decision. This is really dangerous. Okay, whoa. Okay, Molly, I see him. Okay, steady. Steady. Go! Go faster! Come on, Molly! Catch up! Okay. There he is! Again! We found him! Okay, let's catch him! Oh no, I think he went behind that building! Molly, stop the car! Okay, let's go! Look, Molly, there he is! Time to bust some ghosts. No! Come on, Molly. Quickly, let's catch him. Okay, Molly, we're gonna need a lot of power for this one. We got him! Okay, Molly, let's go back to the firehouse. Come on!